I'm at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona talking to Amit Modi, SVP at Movius. Amit, on the eve of the conference, you made a major announcement about your Sideline service. Bring us up to date with the latest developments.
Yeah, that's right, Brian. We announced our significant foray into the identity-based solutions, and Sideline is just a subset of that. Essentially, what we are seeing happening in the marketplace is I, as a consumer, wants different personas, whether it is my work persona or my private persona or my social persona. And with devices now being pervasive, we want to give complete control to our end users so they can carry any device anywhere, yet being able to separate their personas in their own preferred way. And that's what this whole identity solution is all about. So it completely segregates voice and data and gives complete control to the end user and to the IT people on the enterprise side to be able to dictate what kind of apps are there in a work context, and I, as a user, to have control and freedom and peace of mind on my more private or social context in terms of what applications or capabilities do I need.
Now, I know you have a global spread. In fact, you have a major contract with Telefonica for many, many countries. But where do you see this application taking off? What excites you most around the world? What's the potential for this?
So, Brian, the good thing is because of the completeness of the solution, we are seeing its uptake in all the major geographies around the world. To give you some more color, we obviously launched it significantly with Movistar in Cala, and we have commercialized it, and we are taking a huge uptake on our Sideline service there. If you switch to North America with the whole bring your own device phenomena, combine that with our identity solution, we are seeing very big interest there. And as we also migrate internationally, from Middle East to also from an Africa standpoint, this whole virtual communications combined with this identity-based solution, including Asia, it has become a very globally relevant solution.
Yes, because I know in Africa in particular, you are the technology behind a lot of the MTN networks, where, in Africa, it's about charging the phone is a problem about as much as anything else, isn't it?
I couldn't agree more with you. In fact, one of the first international deployments that's going to happen is with one of the MTN properties, and MTN is very keen on bringing the next billion subscribers into the communication ecosystem. And it's these solutions which not only provide communications, but also bring the concept of virtualizing it, identity, and having an extra number is so very relevant there.
So we've talked about Sideline. While we get the chance to talk to you, because I know you're based in the States and traveling all over the world, what are some of the other things coming down the line from Movius?
So us as Movius, our goal is to bring an ecosystem of applications aggregated for the operators to address their single biggest challenge today. And that is how to monetize the network assets that they have invested so heavily upon, and how to effectively use all these services and primitives that they have in the network. And that's what we are enabling them with our next generation platform, which we call Cafe, which is also something that we have launched now. What Cafe does is allows operators to bring all these applications in a very rapid fashion to their consumers and actually be able to converge the telecom world with the social, local, and the mobile internet world.
Okay, Amit, well, thanks for bringing us up to date and have a good rest of the show.
Thank you, Brian.